Hey y'all, welcome to Sweet Southern Living. Today we're traveling south on Highway 59 in Gulf Shores, Alabama. We are less than a mile from the beach, and as you can see, we are right in the heart of Gulf Shores, around all of the restaurants and the businesses and things like the souvenir shops. We're going to take you through Luxury RV Resort right here on the left. So right here at this point, we're only a half mile from the beach. So it's just like 4 blocks for you to walk down to the beach or ride your bike down the beach, like a 5-minute ride. Very convenient location. This area to the right where the water is, that's Wade Ward Nature Park. That's a really nice little park. They have boardwalks that you can walk over. You can actually kayak right there. You can go out there and fish. So here we're coming into the park. They have 117 sites here. They are all full hookup. They are on concrete pads and have gravel yards. There's a little bit of grass here, but not a lot. For the most part, it's just gravel sites. They are big rig friendly. They do have a few smaller sites, but for the most part, all of the sites are big enough for you to keep your rig and your vehicle on. They have a couple of laundry facilities here. They have a bathhouse and laundry facility down here in the middle, and then they have one back up front where they also have like a camp store in the office area. They have a camp store, they sell t-shirts, and they have ice and stuff. They have a swimming pool, and they are pet friendly. They have a pet walk and little doggy stations. To the right over there, you can see a sidewalk back behind the rigs. That goes all the way through the park, so that's nice. So it is one way in and one way out. This is the only road, so this road just goes down and goes around a circle and then comes back out. And like I said, we're only a half a mile from the beach. You can see the condos over there. That is how close you are to the beach. So it's an easy walk or bike ride. Very convenient location. So let's do the drive-through. If you guys have any questions, make sure you let me know in the comments below, and be sure to stick around to the end, because when we go back out, we're going to ride down to the beach.